Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain how to customize wall finishes, how to customize wall finishes templates, and according to BSMM 4R, finishes are measured in square meter or in linear, that is in meters. According to BSMM 4R, that is building and engineering standard method of measurement. It can be measured in square meter when it is greater than 600 mm wide, and it can also be measured in meters when it is less than or equal to 600 mm wide. And we have different type of wall finishes. We have cement plastering. You have cement plastering. This is also cement plastering. This is also cement plastering. This is plastic panel. This is plastic panel wall finishes. This is also plastic panel wall finishes. This is wood paneling wall finishes. This is also wood paneling. This is used for interior. This is also wood paneling. This is ties wall. This is ties wall. This is also called cracker. This is wall ties finishes. This is also wall ties finishes. This is cement concrete wall. This is concrete wall finishes. It is made up of stone dust with cement. It's being used with it is sprayed on wall with immersion. It's also called the finish is also called tarolin. Same thing applicable to this one and this. So let's get started. Let's go to template, and under the checklist of superstructure, so we stop at block wall. That is last tutorial that I did. So now, first of all, we first create a template that we're going to make use of area tools. And for us to make use of area tools, that shows that we are going to measure for external walls. I'm going to explain now. Click on this. I'm using area tools, like I said. So this one, that is, I'm going to use external wall finishes. External wall finishes. Click on OK. Then another one. Just take it step by step. So double click on advanced. The square meter already. Okay. The takeoff area is also in square meter. Good. Click on OK. Come back to home. Don't take it cannot be scaled. Okay. So now let us scale it. This is 3 meter. This is 3 meter. Okay. Click on scale. 3 meter. You have to scale the page you want to work on. Without scaling it, nothing can be done. So horizontal, just use 2.8 meter. Yeah. So now we want to take off for this approach elevation. So now let's come back to take our template here. Click on external wall finishes. Click on OK. So let's click on this. Because this is parapet, you're going to sometimes you don't plaster it. If you use marine board, what I'm going to do is just to screed it and paint it. Sometimes based on this parapet now, the square sometimes cannot be plastered, sometimes can be plastered. So just assume that you don't want to plaster it. You understand? So just focus on wall. Just make sure this one is at the auto is on so that it will be straight. So just assume that you are not plastering. I'm coming the parapet, the concrete fascia, sorry, the concrete fascia. So let us focus on wall. Let us focus on wall. Just focus on wall. Just take it down to foundation, to MGL, natural ground level. Yeah, click on escape. So what next? We want to deduct open, which is the window. Sorry, click on this. Subtract from section. Click on OK. Click on record mode as box. You observe something here, that the area will be reducing, the quantity will be reducing. So let's check another one. Fencing is reducing, has reduced to 236.9. So yeah, yeah. So now here you don't have to touch or extract this door and window. This one is not at the external wall, it's internal already. So this one is external. So now just click on this. All this one cannot be plastered. All this cannot be plastered. All this artwork design cannot be plastered. Just click on this. Okay, it's in box mode already. Click on extract point to point. Just click on this. Yeah, click on escape. It's already detected this open. Same thing applicable to there's a void here in between these two pillars. So click on subtract, click on box mode. Sorry. subtract box mode. Click on escape. So now we have dotted opening from the plastered wall. Now same thing applicable. So the square meter area is 27.5 square meter. Same thing applicable to this view and others. I don't want to waste our time, so let us, we are done with how to take off, for how to customize or to create template for plastic wall finishes using area tools. Good. So let's go back to the template. What next is that you're going to make use of linear tools. Make use of linear tools to take off for soffit of beam. For soffit of beam, you understand? So now just click on linear. Just name it as wall finishes. Yeah, wall finishes. You can open the brackets, then linear. Yes, linear is in meter already, so no need to click on advanced. Click on OK. Come back to home. Go to floor plan. So this is the area you want to take up. This area is a soffit of the beam. Same thing applicable to this one and this side with this. Yeah. So just click on wall finishes. Just click on OK. Just pick it. Click on it. Yeah. Click on N as continuation. Same thing here. Yeah. Then what next? From this point, click on auto. Click on N. Let's pick it from here. Click on N. Just check another place. Just an opening. There is no door here. And then here. And I think that is all. Okay. Click on escape. Let us check the legend. Right click. Okay, show legend. You have 16.6 meter. Good. So next one is, let's go to template. Another one is how to take off or mail for wall finishes using linear tools, but it will be in square meter. It will be in square meter. I want to show you something now on my channel, so that is the best way to work towards this template, so that you make your work fast. Just go to my YouTube channel, check this video, which is how to customize template for block wall and DEDUCT openings. Good. Try to subscribe so that you're able to be updated on any video that I upload. So now click on this block wall, right click, copy, and click on this, click on paste. So you can edit it to internal wall finishes. internal wall finishes, open a bracket, input area, and close the bracket. Good, you've edited it. Now double click. There's some properties that you have to delete, like the width of the wall, depth, lintel projection, side of projection, column, anything column, just delete it. You maintain other opening, all these other opening lengths and the width and the quantity. But this quantity, for example, okay, I will explain this quantity later. I will explain it. Then based on this quantity also, windows quantity and doors opening quantity. Just go to advanced to select. It's also in square meter. It's also in square meter. Just hide it. Hide it. Yeah. Okay, good. Make sure that just leave all this door one, door, anything door and anything uh windows, leave it. Area of doors, leave it. Windows and what else? Area of doors and window, leave it. Area of other opening, leave it. Lintel projection, yeah. Don't need anything like lintel projection here. Had it been you've watched the video that I showed you, able to understand all what I'm trying to explain here. So lintel, just make sure that you watch it before you watch this tutorial, this video. So now I have to delete this lintel projection uh property. Delete it. Yeah. So not to waste our time. Not to waste our time. So let me just show you what I'm going to delete from it. We delete side of projection, total length of projection, door, lintel, all door lintels, and from this door lintel to window lintel, and area of window lintel, area of just an window lintel, anything column, just delete it to this area of column, delete it. So we leave this one. So let us start deleting it now. Yeah, good. So now you are left with, okay, all these ones, all these properties. So deduction area, let us edit this one. Call me. We have area of doors and windows, yes. Area of, yeah, area of other opening, yeah. Area of doors and window needed, no, I have to remove this one. Area of doors and window needed, you don't need it. Area of doors and window needed. If you remove that one, click on OK. Then including area of columns. Area of columns, good. So what we need now is area of doors and windows, the area of other openings. Good. So now I think we are okay with this one. Click on form. Okay. Wall heights, yes, we need we need the wall heights, yeah. Width, you haven't deleted it. I haven't deleted the width. Let me come down here. Yeah, I have to delete it. The width and the depth. I have to delete the depth. The depth is very important to remove it. You make use of wall heights. Yeah. Because under the, let me check something. Takeoff, linear total plus wall height times wall height. Yes, close the bracket. minus deduction area. Good. Sorry. Okay. What we need now is wall height. Okay. I told you that I want to explain something. What I'm trying to say is that for door window one, I don't mean you have the length of the window, the width of the window one is 1.2, and the length is 1.2, and you have one number of bits. You understand me? You have one number of it. That means because when you are taking up the quantity, I'm going to show you something. That means you're going to multiply that one by 2. I don't know if you have 5 numbers, that will be by 2. The reason why we're going to by 2 here, what we're going to multiply by 2 is that assume that this one is one quantity and 5 numbers, that will be 5 times 2, that will be 10. If this one is 2 numbers, 2 times 2, that is 4. If that is 4, that is 4 times 2, that is 8. So I'm going to explain the reason why we want to multiply by 2 and start measuring it. Okay, so let's go to home. So let me write on this. So now click on. So all we're going to do now is just trace all the internal wall, all the side of the internal walls. So click on this wall height. You can check the wall height width and coming. Let me check the section. So the wall height is 3 meter. It's 3 meter. Good. So now click on this. Wall height is 3 meter. Click on OK. So now let's keep moving. Make sure that the record mode is at point to point, not box. So click on this. Sometimes you can make it box mode if the room is square. Click on escape. Let me use one as an example. Okay, like this door now. Click on box record mode. So just do it like this. Yeah, in order not to waste your time. Seems applicable to this one. Okay, sorry. Okay, you can see adjust it. Just adjust like this. Click on N again. Then okay. Okay. So that is how you're going to trace all the side, both side of each room, like this master bedroom. Let me work on this master bedroom now. I'll change it to the record mode to point to point. Point. This is the wardrobe block wall. I have to trace it too. Yeah, escape. In order not to waste our time. So that is how I'm going to trace all the sides of the wall, both side, yeah, this side and this side, all through, including this beam, include this area, and externally, I'm going to trace it all through. So now, the reason why I said you're going to buy through the windows and doors is that, for example, okay, let me just um let me measure this. Yeah, good. Let me use it as an example. The reason why I say you are going to buy through the windows and doors is that, for example, this side, this door, this door 3, we have, if you have, let me check the door 3, just shade it there. Okay, door 3, we have how many numbers? We have 5 numbers. Okay. For this dot 3 now, let me just double clicking on it. Dot 3, dot 3, the width is 0.9 by, let us focus on this quantity. You see that if you reduce 0.9 by 2.1, you have 5 numbers. Okay, so that's 5 numbers. That will be 5 times 2. That will be 10 numbers. Just focus on this quantity. Can you see now? It reduced to 223. Same thing applicable to this. Just check this dot 2, dot 2. So now, same thing applicable to windows. These windows are going to trace the external line, external wall. Going to trace it all through. So that means they are going to deduct this left, left, and this right. That is the why deducting it as 2 sides. That will be by 2. So like this door window, let us use this window 1 now. You're going to deduct this left side and right hand side, the inner and the outside. So for this one, let me just double click on it. Before I double click on it, let me check window, window 1. Is it window 1? You have 12 numbers. Okay, window 1, you have 12 numbers. Window 1 is 900, 0.9 by 1.5. 12 numbers, that is 12 times 2, that is 24 numbers. So we have 223.8 here. So it has reduced to 191.8 square meter. So that is how I'm going to trace all the walls, both internally and externally. They will now deduct it. So let me applicable to this other opening. They will tell the tutorial that I showed you. This tutorial, try to watch it, how to customize template for block wall and deduction and deduct opening. Sorry. So this is called other opening. This is what I call other opening in tutorial. The video that I showed you now. This is the other opening. So for this other opening, so let me show you one thing here. Other opening, that will be, this is 3.31 by 2.4 as the height. Other opening, this is other opening 1. This is the width. We have the height will be the width, that is 2.4. That is 2.4. 2.4. The length is 3.315 numbers. So you have two sides, internal and external. That will be 2. You understand? Let's check this one. That is 2 numbers. Yes, because you have not 2 numbers. You have 2 sides. We have only one number of this one, and we have 2 sides of it, internal and external. That's the reason why I input these 2 numbers. So let's check this quantity. For 191 to give me 179.9 square meter. Yeah. Okay. So that is how to take off or customize templates and take off or measure for wall finishes. Like I've explained earlier, you have different type of wall finishes, and cement plastering, panel, wood panel, you have plastic, you have concrete wall finishes. So let's just check the area here. So you have 179.9 square meter as you have it here. So anyone that is not clear, try to drop your comments on the comment section box. Thanks for watching.